Now, what's that boy up to now? What you got? I say, what you got here, son?
This is my chicken trap.
That's no trap, boy. You planned it wrong. It can't possibly work. Look, I can pick up the corn and nothing happens. I can stand in the loop and nothing happens. It's no good, son. A smart chicken wouldn't go for it. A smart chicken wouldn't even step in it. A smart chicken would jump over it, like this. Now look here, I say, now look here, son. A smart chicken, eh?
I don't want a smart chicken. I want him. La da 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 dee da dum. Oh, do da dee.